Today we are blending a Chinese-inspired Thanksgiving mocktail with Asian pear, ginger, and chilled chrysanthemum tea. It serves 2 and takes about 15 minutes from start to finish. Let us gather the ingredients. 2 cups of Asian pear, peeled and cubed. 1 cup of chilled chrysanthemum tea. 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of honey syrup. 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 2 cups of ice cubes. 1 tablespoon of dried goji berries for garnish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Thanksgiving Chinese-style mocktail, please like the video, subscribe for more recipes, and tap the bell so you never miss a blend.